The Messages feature is a secure messaging function, which allows two-way communication between the user and Civista Bank. Since the message is delivered securely within the digital banking system, sensitive material may be included, such as account information, Social Security numbers, or tax IDs. A numeric indicator next to the Messages menu displays how many unread messages there currently are. Select the Messages menu option. Click the pencil icon at the top right of the screen to start a new secure message. Select the appropriate message recipient from the drop-down menu. Enter a subject and message in the corresponding box. Supported attachment file types are listed at the bottom of the screen. Click Attach a File to attach a file or document if desired. Click Send Message to submit the message to Civista Bank. Both incoming and outgoing messages will show in descending date order with newest on top. Select the arrow icon to reply to a secure message, or the trash bin to delete the message.